Hi everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia. I'm a engineer with 6+ years of experience in the IT industry. In today's video, I'm gonna show you OpenAI new model, which is the best module out there. Just came out today, 31st of January. This is the O3 Mini. This model outperforms the previous model O1 and Deepseek. This is the website of OpenAI, and this is the article of the information regarding the new release of O3 Mini. As we know now, we have basically three models that's been released. There's the version low, medium, and high. The article is dated just today, and as you can see, this is a frontier cost-effective reasoning model. This model achieve exceptional STEM capabilities, which are basically the capabilities regarding science, technology, engineering, and math. Like OpenAI O1 Mini and OpenAI O1 Preview, O3 Mini will support streaming. Also, developer can choose between three reasoning effort options: low, medium, and high. I guess this will be more related to the API choice because the current model I see now it gives the low and high option. The reasonability of this model is the fact that you might use the correct one based on the harder topics that you want to choose to tackle your issues. O3 Mini is rolling out in the chat completion API, assistant API, and batch API starting today, as we can see, for the usage tiers 3 and 5. These versions are available today, starting from today, and the higher rate limits is increasing for those models. Before we had 50 messages per day for the O1 Mini. Now we will have 150 messages with it. This is both for the Plus and Team users. Another thing that you need to consider is that this version works well with search, but it doesn't work with neither Canva, neither with images at the moment. Starting today, also the free user can use O3 Mini, selecting the reason button option that allow to get better responses. Another characteristic that is very interesting about this model is that it is actually faster in giving responses, about 24% faster than the previous model O1 Mini. We will see soon that the mini model, the low level model, even though it performs a little bit lower in overall than the O1, it is much faster in giving the responses and with comparable performance of O1. We can see that this model has achieved the 77% of PhD level science benchmark. It has achieved the 83.6% of accuracy. It has improved in frontier math and code forces. And in the software engineering SWE benchmark, it achieved even the 48.9% with the high reasoning effort. Other important information is that this tool now, for the first time, supports function calling. Also, for the first time, it offers structure outputs, and it also includes developer messages. I'm not really sure at the moment if the higher limits that now has been implemented in O3 Mini is related to the low or the high, or also the high model or three high model. This model is really insane. It is now the best model out there. It outsmart Deepseek, the previous models, and all the models out there. This race is really incredible. Every day is coming out something really amazing. I'm really excited to see what will be the next release coming up, considering that every day something fantastic and revealing is showing up. What do you think about this model? I really wish to know your opinion. Another important information that we need to share eh, are the benchmark against different categories. For example, in the competition math, the O3 mini law achieved the accuracy of 60%, which is a little bit below the O1 mini and the O1 Pro, but higher of the O1 preview. Then the O3 mini medium, as we can see, that is higher performant than the O1 mini, and the O3 mini high that outperform all the other models. Then we have the PhD level science questions, and we can see here that the O3 mini is here better than O1 mini. And we can see also the other two models that they are better, and even the high O3 mini model, which by the way they shows very complex naming, very confusing, is higher and better performant than all the others. We can see here the frontier math that the O3 mini high is the past 20% and is the highest benchmark for the math right now. And consequently, the other two models, the competition in code, which is something really I'm passionate about. We can see that all the models outperform the O1 mini. The O3 mini is already higher, and even the O3 mini high model even achieve 2130, way higher than the O1 mini and the O1 Pro. Software engineering SWE benchmark, the new one, shows that the O3 mini uh, is not above the O1 Pro version, and same thing for the O3 mini, but the O3 mini high, it is higher performing than the O1 Pro. Another benchmark, the live bench coding, shows here how the O3 mini has fantastic capabilities, um, and some other example that I will not show now, but you can check on the OpenAI new article website. Let's go now to test a little bit this model. As you see, I tested it right now to my uh, plus version of ChatGPT. As you can see, you still have the O1 model that you previously had. I bet I think we had 50 messages per day or per week because it was we yes 50 messages per day. I think that should be still the same, while now we have also the other two models that give more choices. You can still use the GPT-4o like you did before, and the GPT-4o with tasks, and you can also choose those models. As you can see, you can use the voice mode to chat with it, and the search mode. Just to test it very quickly, I will ask the question that I've been hearing using often for this LLM, which is how many R's are in the word strawberry, which many LLM make still wrong. Let's see if it responds correctly. Yes, it gives a response and is correct. It has three words. It responds very quickly. Really impressive. Would you like me to test the O1 and O3 mini and high level model further? If you wish, please write it in the comment. Consider to like the video if you enjoyed this news and this channel. Consider also subscribing to see more video coming with all the latest new of the AI industry. Thanks for now and see you in the next video.